Hi, my name is Megan Fulop and I am a business management major. Today I'm going to talk to you about my internship this summer at Pfizer. For those of you who may not know, Pfizer is one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies. So why Pfizer? I've been interested in working in the pharmaceutical industry for a long time because I love helping people and I love business, so I wanted to integrate those two passions into one. When I read Pfizer's mission statement, it rang true to me. It is to innovate to bring therapies that significantly improve patients' lives. How I attained the internship. I networked for 8 months before I attained this internship. The picture on the top right corner is a picture of my dad. He works for Teva Pharmaceuticals, so we had a lot of friends that I was able to meet. I emailed them for several months and followed up on any internship opportunities that they were aware of. It wasn't until March when I reached out to a lady in my ward who worked for Pfizer that she was able to give me a referral that I attached to my application. This really made my application stand out from the rest. How BYU Idaho prepared me for this internship. I feel like a lot of the business classes that I took prepared me for this internship, but if I were to choose just a couple, these three would definitely stand out to me. So first, production operations management gave me the background that I need in supply chain for my current role as a supplier quality specialist. This class introduced me to the verbiage that I'm currently using in this role. I'm helping sites around the world to modify their supply chains so that they are up to code with Pfizer's standards. Second, advanced writing in professional context. I feel like I wouldn't have gotten this internship without having a great resume and cover letter. I got the basis for having a good resume and cover letter from this class. Third, spreadsheet analysis for business. I am currently working on 8 projects, and 6 of these projects include Excel spreadsheets. I definitely use it a lot and use the skills that I learned in that class for those. Pfizer to future. I would love to continue working for Pfizer. I think that would be my top choice. I'd love to be a brand manager. They have products such as chapstick and Advil. I would love to help with the marketing of these products. Second, I have an entrepreneurial spirit. I have a few business ideas that I would love to start up. Third, I'd love to be a marketing coordinator for a firm. My advice to future interns. First, I'd suggest that you definitely get involved in any extra activities that the company may have. I'm currently volunteering with the summer recap session for interns. I volunteered to do all the branding for the posters, tickets, and advertisements on the TVs on campus. This is an experience that I can put on my resume, so that's been a great opportunity for me. Definitely get involved in as many projects as you can, not only in your department, but on campus. Second, I suggest that you ask questions when you need to. It can be a little intimidating at first to ask your manager questions, but it's better to do your projects right the first time than to mess up and have to go back and do it all over again. And third, I advise to be a light. We are disciples of Jesus Christ, and our light can really shine to those around us. I suggest that you smile to those around you, be a positive influence, and others will definitely notice that. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.